Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. So in today's video, we will be solving a question from mathematical statistics. So the question goes like this: let z1 equals to nx1 and z2 equals to n minus 1 x2 minus x1. Now z3 equals to n minus 2 x3 minus x2. Now zn equals to xn minus 1. So we have to show that z1 z2 dot 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 zn and x1 x2 dot 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 xn are identically distributed. So how do we show it? For this, first we have to write down the joint PDF of x1 x2 and xn. So I'll take another page. So the joint PDF of x1 x2 comma dot 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 xn is, so the joint PDF x1 comma x2 comma xn is given by, so this is equals to function of x1 comma x2 comma dot 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 xn, which is equals to n factorial function of x1 function of x2 dot 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 function of xn, which is equals to n dot n, b to the power n factorial b to the power n e to the power minus beta x1 into e to the power minus beta x2 into dot 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 e to the power minus beta xn. So now if you solve it, it will be xn here e to the power beta xn. So now if you further solve it, rather I will give this as an equation by star. So this equation is needed later. So now we have to transform this equation in the question gives. Now if we, it is transformation of star in the question gives x1 equals to z1 by n, x2 equals to z1 by n plus z2 by n minus 1, and x3 is equals to z1 by n plus z2 by n minus 1 plus z3 by n minus 2 dot 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 xn. Similarly, this is equals to z1 by n plus z2 by n minus 1 plus dot 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 z n minus 1 divided by 2 plus zn divided by 1. So I'll write it as, so this is the equation denoted by triple star. Now from here what we can do is, we'll simply write down the value of j, which is equals to delta x1 comma x2 comma dot 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 xn divided by delta z1 comma z2 comma z3 comma dot 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 zn, which is equals to 1 by n factorial. Now from here we can get the value to be equals to 0 is less than x1 is less than x2, which is less than dot 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 xn, which is less than infinity. So this is leads to 0 less than zi less than infinity comma I equals to 1 to dot 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 n. So we can write it now. what we'll do it, we'll just using the equation triple star that we have written here, the equation triple star. This is the equation, and 1 by j, and this transform to, then this double star transform to, then it gets transformed to g z1 comma z2 comma zn equals to beta e to the power minus beta z1, beta e to the power minus beta z2 beta e to the power minus beta zn, which is 0, zi belongs to 0 to infinity. Now from here what we can do is, we'll simply write down z1, z2 and zn are identically and independently distributed exponential variates with parameter, as you can see, beta, with parameter beta. So we have been able to solve this question. Now we'll go to the question again. So there's some technical. So this was the question. So we have been able to solve. They are identically distributed. So thank you for watching this video. If you have found something which you did not get, or if you could not understand what was being taught, basically we have used a lot of other things which are being taught elsewhere in our site. So if you want to know more about the procedure and how to solve this kind of questions, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials for mathematical statistics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.